In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up password protection on your Squarespace pages. This tutorial will guide you through the process, and by the end, you'll be equipped to safeguard the content of your Squarespace site, giving specific sections access to only those who need it. To get started, make sure you're on your Squarespace site and navigate to the Pages section. This is where all the pages of your site are listed, and it's where we're going to configure password protection. Look for the page you're interested in securing with a password. Once you find it, hover your mouse over the page's name. As you hover, a gear icon will appear on the right side of the page entry. This icon is the key to accessing the settings we need. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open the Page Settings menu where you can adjust various elements of the page. One of the first things you'll notice here is a section labeled General Settings. Under this section is where the option for password protection resides. You'll see a text box labeled Password. Click on this box to input the password you want to use for this specific page. Choose a password that is strong yet memorable, and perhaps note it down for your reference. Remember, the password you set here will be required for anyone trying to access this page, so ensure it's something suitably secure. Once you've entered your desired password, the next step is to save your changes. You can do this by locating the Save button, typically found at the bottom or top of the settings window, and clicking it. By clicking Save, you're confirming your setup and locking your page with this chosen password. And there you have it. Your page is now password protected. From this point forward, anyone who attempts to view this page will be prompted to input the password you've set. This feature is excellent for scenarios where you might want to create private sections for members, clients, or any specific group needing exclusive access. That wraps up our tutorial on adding password protection to your Squarespace pages. By following these steps, you now have the knowledge to enhance the security and privacy of your website's content. Thank you for watching, and happy securing.